Hey, hello YouTube, I'm Karan from India, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your Windows password using CMD. So changing your Windows password is quite an easy task, but if you learn how to change it using CMD, then it may be possible that you can also hack the Windows password with a little trick. So let's see how to change Windows password. Just simply open CMD. Just write CMD and Control Shift Enter. It will ask you. Press Alt Y, and now we are in the CMD as an administrator. So this computer has password 123. So let's change it. Let's see who is the user first. So just turn these things off and let me see who is the user. Username is NK. So this is my brother's laptop. We want to hack it, so just simply write net users. It doesn't matter if you write user or users, so we will use user and then username, or you can also write username. So if you are a beginner, just prefer NK and then press star and now enter. So it is asking for password for the user. I want to change the password to 1234. As you can see, nothing is displayed on the screen, so it is a quite of safety that no one will know the length of your password. Press enter and then confirm again 1234, and the command completed successfully. So let me lock this computer, and now I will write the old password 123, and it is saying the password is incorrect. So the next new password is 1234, and we have successfully changed the password. But we need to be in administrator mode. So you will know in my next tutorials that how to hack Windows password using this little command. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment. Please subscribe. Bye bye.